Okay. Hello, my name is Veronica Buchala Rita. I am domestic helper in Hong Kong, currently taking the course Bachelor of Science in Hotel Restaurant Management at PWU, which I started on November 10, 2025. My interests and hobbies include physical and wellness activities such as hiking, cycling, yoga, pilates, meditation, and team sports like badminton. I also enjoy dancing, martial arts such as taekwondo, and light gym workouts. For community and social engagement, I participate in volunteering for charities and coaching sports teams. At home, I enjoy cooking at home decorating. I also love traveling, exploring new places, and visiting museums and historical sites. In addition, I am interested in learning other languages, currently Cantonese and perhaps Spanish in the future, as I believe they are very useful nowadays. I also aim to become more fluent in English speaking. That's all. Thank you.